Weaning. Weaning, according to the UNICEF, that is 1984, it is a systemic process of introduction of suitable food in addition to the mother's milk, and to provide adequate nutrition to the baby. And some important points include: there's no discontinuity of breastfeed, it's easily digestible food, it's palatable, increase in energy, and it's balanced. And we have to start small and increase gradually. Breastfed till 2 years and exclusive for 6 months. Warning signs include: there's indigestion, there's abdominal pain, there's skin rash, and there's diarrhea. To take care of is cleanliness and hygiene and feeding habits and balanced nutrition.